Alright folks, it's Ab here from Car Store Cork. I'm going to run you through the BMW 530e that we have in stock here today. Now this is the 2019 edition. This is a black M Sport. It comes with 19-inch alloys and a kit all around. Overall, as you can see here, the car is in very good condition. It comes with front and rear parking sensors along with a reversing camera as well. Coming around to the front of the car. Here's a quick view of the interior. As you can see, gorgeous black leather seats. You got the beautiful M Sport stitching all around. Here's your driving position. Here are your control panels. The car also comes with a manual paddle shift remote as well. You have your M Sport badging all around. Coming to the back cabin of the car. Overall, very nice car. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and we look forward to speaking to you soon sometime inside the showroom. Thank you.